Hi YouTube, this is Mitch Harper with Mitch Quick Eats. A quick disclaimer I'd like to say out here to you guys is that this is not intended for any children content. This is adult content only. Yeah, I know it's cooking, but this is what I have to tell you. Now, what I want you to also to do is like and subscribe, leave a comment on below, and let's get into baking. I'm going to be baking vanilla cake with vanilla pudding mixture. So that's what we're going to be doing. So now, what we're going to do first is put 3 eggs into the mixture. And since I like doing it without a machine, I'm going to show you how to do it with just a whisk. I'm going to whisk it in, the 3 eggs until it's beaten good. That's the way my mother showed me how I'm supposed to do it. Whisk it all in first into to mix it all good with the when it's mixed good with the mixture. Now when you do that, all you have to do is slowly but surely add some water. Mix a little water at a time. Okay, now you put just a little bit of oil in it too after you mix it up. Just a little bit of oil. That's probably like a 1/4 tablespoon. And mix it all up in there. Okay, flour and oil the pan so it won't stick. Then you pour it into the pan. Get all that deliciousness in there. Okay, once it's all in there, okay, after you put it in the pan, you let it sit in the oven at 350 for probably the most of half an hour until you know when it's baked. And usually I do that too with toothpicks. But anyway, we put it in the oven and let it sit in there for half an hour. Check it out. And what we're gonna do, see if it's cooked all the way by using a toothpick. And if it comes out dry, you know that it's cooked. So yeah, it's cooked. So we're gonna let it cool down, and I'm show you what else I'm gonna do to it after that. Okay. Now we have the cake is cooled off now, nice and spongy hard. And what we're gonna do is cut it in half first before I start decorating it. And I'll show you why just now. Make sure you hold one side and just glaze it nice over it, nice and neat. To the other side, take the top off, lay it on a plain plate. Don't worry about the parts falling off. The icing will make it. Even though it's a little crooked, don't worry about it. I'm just showing you a tutorial. Now, the pudding, put on the top, the piece that you broke. Put the pudding in, slide the pudding on the edge. I always use the spoon to go to the edges so that way it won't mess it up too much. As you spread it down to the edges, you don't have to put it all the way to the edge because the weight of the cake is going to put it all over the edge. Anyway. Okay, once the pudding is nice and spread on, nice and neat, it's like so. Put the cake part back on top. Bam, it's on there. Push it down a little bit. And you go ahead and ice it up. I like to put the icing on the sides like this, and just gently put the icing all around the sides first, before you even put it over the whole thing. Just like to seal all that goodness in there that you just put. It's real easy. All I'm doing is going around the sides, making sure to seal the sides with icing. Okay. After the sides are sealed, then you can finish icing the cake. Now you can put anything you want on it. I just choose to put these because it's similar to the color of the cake, but I want to have like a little royal look to it. So I just put these on the side, a little bit on the side of them, each corner of them. Each corner of them, just put on the side, throw some on the top, and that's it.